Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be cutting open squishies. So this is my victim. It's a little macaron and he's like so cute, and this is what he does. Pretty squishy. So I don't even know if there's gonna be any good like slime or clay, but we're gonna find out. Okay, I have a little bowl in case it's like really messy, but I think I'm just gonna do like this. I'm scared. Oh, what the heck? Why does it? What if this is like poisonous? It smells like burning plastic. There's like, bro, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna try to squeeze the rest out of it. Oh. Ew, it's getting all over. If this like chemically burns my hands, I'm gonna crash out. Okay, here it is. It's like, what if I add activator? Okay, so my hands are really messy, but I have this Elmer's glue confetti activator, so we're just gonna put it in. Guys, it just made it worse. Well, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do because this definitely cannot go down my sink. Well, this was the result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Follow along and comment if I should open any more.